Alright, Fitted Squad, this is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And what we're going to do here, it's a little chilly right now, so I decided to jump in the car and do this intro. I'm going to go ahead and shoot the homies' cars, and then I'll go ahead and go from there. So, yeah. Okay. Alright, so I want to start off apologizing for the audio, because it's probably going to be bad. But here we go. We have the homie Ryan's car. Make sure you follow him. I'll throw a link in the description below straight to his profile on Instagram. But in case you need it, there we go. R84 Caddy. But yeah, this is his 2016 Nissan Maxima. As you can see, he is lowered on reaction coilovers. And you're going with the black and blue theme. Let's see. Can we get the brakes? Let's see. Yep, there we go. Perfect. So it's a color flipping. It's not completely blue. It's like a blue, teal, greenish hybrid. And went with those same color stickers, so that way it shines. Of course, you see Fitted Squad. And of course, he's the homie who'll be hooking everybody up with the install. So, got his underglow kit. This is the Gove kit, or however you pronounce it, G-O-O-V-E-E, I believe. But let's take a look at his interior. Alright, so he started the whole trend with us here in the squad to have this well, I won't say twinkle, the star headliner. He has the twinkle one. I do not. So I'm going to be upgrading for that pretty soon. Alright. And let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, also, got the lights in the footrests and under the seats as well. Make sure you get that. And I don't think I mentioned it, but it's the SR Maxima. We've got a 15 Scar audio and a porta box, right? Yeah, awesome. And see this trunk lining, which is dope. Thank you. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for the mats themselves. But yeah, and I'll try to put the links to everything. I don't know if well, I did see the box online, so I could probably put that in there as well. So that way, if you're interested in anything, you can go ahead and click the links directly. Oh, didn't mention, got the drilled and slotted rotors as well. Alright, and we got the Revolutionary Racing wheels as well. Haven't been able to see them in stock for a while, so might not have the link for those, but they're definitely pretty dope. Then we're gonna do a few more videos. I'm gonna start working on doing some cinematic ones, so definitely gonna get him featured in one of those as well. But stay tuned for that. That's coming in 2021. Also, got the still in front lip. Got a few mods coming in 2021 as well. Comment down below if you think he should bag it. See if we can get him to bag it, because that might be the move for the squad. It's bagging. But yeah, definitely sounds dope as well. Alright, and as of now, for the exhaust, he has muffler delete. But what I love about it is it doesn't have a crazy drone. Because some, you know how some cars are when you do the muffler delete, you get the crazy drone. You probably won't hear it well because I don't have my camera, as you can see, got the phone. But it does sound pretty good, especially that cold start. It's crazy. It sounds like it's a V8 sometimes. But yeah, this is where we standing at the end of 2020. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. And if you have any suggestions, you can probably keep it to yourself. No, I'm just kidding. You can leave those as well. yeah, and let me know whose car you want to see next, and we'll keep it going. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you follow the homie, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.